Sure. Damn.
Looks like you killed a bird.
Yeah. He's ripping that thing up too. Those all his feathers. Damn. It's like a red tail. Jesus. Wow, I've never seen that. God.
What is he eating out
It's
there?
it's a bird.
Is he caught another bird?
Yeah, he's killed a bird. He's eating that thing. He's tearing that thing up. Wow. Never seen.
When he hit the wind, it must have been he got a bird that was up near the window.
I don't know how he did it, but
Well, I heard him hit the window, or at least a bird hit the window. I don't know if it was him or the other bird.
well, he swooped down. It's a red tail hawk.
He's munching it away, isn't he?
Yeah. There's hardly anything left of that bird. Jesus. God. The animal kingdom.
They're sweet though.
Yeah. They need all the protections and rights to eat one another.